Hello world, I'm Lanner. I finished CS50 and built this web app. The model is sqlite, the controller is Python, Flask, the viewer is HTML, CSS, bootstrap, and JavaScript.
Hello and welcome to CS50 Golf Index. Here at the landing page is the login asking for your username and password. If you do not have a username and password, you can click the register button in the upper right of the navigation bar. Here we'll ask you for a username that is not already in the index and a password that is alphanumeric with a symbol and 8 characters. I'm in the system, so I'm going to log in. Welcome home. Here we are at the index page, rendering the last 20 scores that we'll use to calculate your average index. So let's say that you played Southridge here from the blue tees. You shot an 82. This is the course rating that is predetermined and the slope, and it calculates the differential. So if you shot an 82, your differential is 10.7 for that day. Let's say you made a mistake and you need to update your score and it was actually an 83. You can see that it's been updated and your differential updated and your average didn't change, but it did update. Now let's say that you played City Park with your friends in a tournament and you played a scramble, so your score shouldn't count towards your handicap because you didn't play your own ball. And so you want to keep track of it so it's in here, but you don't want it in your index calculation. You can delete it. Are you sure you want to delete this item? Yes, please. And it has been deleted. And now everything updated. This is your handicap index. Now let's say you played a new round and you went to a course that isn't in here. So you can see in here, Collindale is in here, but the white tees aren't included. So if you add the white tees, you can see the Collindale white. And right now the rating and the slope, I just typed them in, but you could definitely add an API or a scrape to have a future project. Okay, let's say you'd like to add a score, add that round. Collindale, white tees. Let's say you shot 79. The rating has already been populated from the other table, as well as the slope, and the differential is calculated for you. You add the score. Collindale, white tees, 79, all in there. Beautiful. Okay, let's say that you want to see some of the rounds that were past the 20 rounds in your history. So if you come in here, these are all the rounds, not just the last 20, and the ones that didn't count, like that you played in tournaments or scrambles or match play where you didn't finish the round. So in here, if you click edit, it's the same as before, where you can edit the score. Let's say you actually shot a 77, it'll update, shot a 77. And let's say that you want to make a round active or inactive, it will update. You also can change your password if you'd like. Just enter your username and current password plus the new password twice. Again, alphanumeric, symbols, and 8 characters. This has been CS50 Golf Index. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.
Let me know if you want to go golfing sometime.